A specialist in outdoor gear inspects a stack of raw, high-grade hides on a rustic wooden table, checking for hair density and texture.
Another specialist carries a bundle of salted hides towards a transport vehicle. They move with strength and purpose.
In the world of luxury, provenance and ethical sourcing standards are non-negotiable.
Macro shot of the raw hide surface. Dust motes dance in a shaft of sunlight hitting the material, the canvas for our...
Once secured and stabilized, the raw material moves from the open air to the controlled environment of our processing complex.
Cleaning is the first step of industrial processing. We must remove salt and impurities to prepare the collagen fibers.
Tanning is a transformative art. Chromium salts and vegetable tannins stabilize the protein structure, turning hide into leather. These drums will rotate for up to 24 hours, ensuring the tanning agents penetrate every micron of the material. Emerging as wet blue, the leather is now stable, rot-resistant, and ready for the next stage of refinement. An African-American male technician feeds the hide into a splitting machine. The leather passes through rollers with... Quality checks happen at every stage. Any imperfection here would ruin the final leopard aesthetic. A technician loads the leather into a vacuum dryer to remove excess moisture. The plates descend with a hiss of steam.
It's tough, it's durable, but it's not yet luxury. Next, we give it its iconic look.
Leaving the wet zone, we move to the precision environment of the finishing and dye lab. This is segment 3, refining, finishing, and quality control.
Creating the perfect leopard motif requires a complex layering of base dyes and surface pigments.
An automated base coat ensures an even, golden undertone, critical for the depth of the final pattern.
For the rosettes, we combine modern screen printing with traditional hand finishing to mimic organic randomness.
Time-lapse close-up of the black dye setting into the leather, forming the distinct leopard spots. The dye penetrates deep into the grain.
An East Asian female technician feeds the printed leather through a heated roller to set the dye and add sheen.
In the QC lab, we verify that the chemical bonding is secure and the surface integrity meets our strict standards.
This jacket is designed to withstand the elements while retaining its luxury appeal.
The material is now ready. It's time to hand it over to the master cutters.
Precision cutting and component fabrication.
In the cutting room, technology assists tradition. The layout is planned to minimize waste and maximize pattern alignment.
Artisan programs the CNC cutting machine, inputting the specific jacket size dimensions.
Close-up of the oscillating blade slicing through the leather with incredible speed and precision. The oscillating blade...
Despite the automation, a master craftsman inspects every single cut piece before it moves to assembly. An artisan uses a skiving machine to thin the edges of the leather panels for easier sewing. Skiving reduces bulk at the...
An artisan organizes the cut panels into bundles, attaching a job ticket to each. The bundles are placed...
Notice the tapered edge. It's a small detail that makes the difference between a bulky coat and a tailored garment.
An artisan applies a temporary adhesive to the seams of 2 panels to hold them for stitching. The movements are quick and practiced.
The artisan carries the prepped bundles to the sewing stations. The puzzle pieces are ready.
The needle moves rapidly, stitching thick thread. This is where the jacket takes shape. Heavy-duty needle. An artisan carefully stitches the collar, turning the leather slowly to navigate the curve. Curves like...
An artisan hammers a seam flat on a marble block. Close-up of the hammer striking the leather seam.
The interior is just as important as the exterior. A silk lining provides comfort and breathability.
The press comes down with a clunk.
The hardware shines against the leopard print. Hardware installation is the final structural step.
Close up on the zipper mechanism. The movement is smooth. Every zipper, every snap is tested. Mechanical failure is not an option.
The cleanup phase creates the flawless finish our clients expect. No loose threads, no missed stitches.
The host watches the artisan work, nodding in approval.
With the structure complete, the jackets are presented for final inspection and documentation before moving to the curing stage.
This resting period, often overlooked, ensures the garment maintains its shape during shipping and wear.
The artisan moves the jacket from the dark curing room to the well-lit finishing bench. This final polish is what brings out the incredible high-gloss shine.
A South Asian female artisan applies a conditioning cream with a soft cloth, a proprietary blend of natural wax.
A technician attaches a hologram tag and a leather certificate of authenticity. Authenticity is guaranteed.
This digital footprint allows the owner to trace the jacket's journey from the farm to their wardrobe.
The product is now officially a luxury asset.
Quick action shot. Compressed air hisses. The jacket is pristine. One last check. Perfection is the only standard we accept. The logistics team treats every jacket like fine art. Here, the worker carefully folds it with acid-free tissue paper to prevent abrasion.
A worker places the folded jacket into a branded, rigid luxury box.
A worker scans the box label as it moves onto a conveyor belt. Scanned and dispatched. Within hours,
Our global logistics network ensures timely delivery to fashion capitals around the world.
From the raw elements to this finished masterpiece, the journey has been one of precision and passion.
The leopard pattern looks stunning. The fit is tailored. This is more than just a jacket. It's a statement of style.
Close up on the texture of the jacket under boutique lighting. Slow pan over the fabric details, zippers, and stitching.
Thank you for joining us on this manufacturing journey. See you next time.